Today I want to show you how to easily enable a Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone even if your mobile plan doesn't include it, or if your mobile carrier slows it down. This trick works in most countries and it's super handy, especially if you're on a basic mobile plan or using prepaid data. But first let me quickly explain how it works. Normally your Android phone sends packets with a TTL value of 64, and that tells your mobile carrier the data is coming straight from your phone. A Windows computer uses a TTL value of 127. When you connect it through your phone's hotspot, that TTL drops to 126, because each network hop reduces it by 1. Now your carrier sees 126 instead of 64, and that's how they know you're using a hotspot. So, basically, your mobile carrier filters out any TTL values that don't match what it expects from your phone based on your plan. But the cool thing, we can easily adjust those TTL values. I've got a SIM card that doesn't support hotspot use, and even though it's not completely blocked, the hotspot speed is limited to something totally unusable. Here's the speed I get directly on my phone. Pretty good. Now let's enable the Wi-Fi hotspot and connect my laptop to it. As you can see, it's barely loading Google speed test. So here's what we need to do. Click Start, type CMD, and run command prompt as administrator. Then run this command. So now your laptop's TTL value is set to 65. Once it passes through your phone, it becomes 64, exactly the same as your phone's normal traffic. And as you can see, no more speed limits.